Tonight, we're making some carne con chile rojo. Heat up a tablespoon of oil in a deep pan. Add in 2 pounds of sirloin tip steak and season to taste with garlic salt, onion powder, and black pepper. Mix well and cook until done. Deseed 10 New Mexico Chiles and add in 8 chile del arbol with the seeds. Add the chiles to a pot, rinse and boil for 10 minutes or until soft. Add the boiled chiles to a blender along with a small piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, 5 peppercorns, and 4 whole cloves. Season to taste with salt and oregano. Pour in 2 cups of the water from the boiled chiles. Blend well and strain the sauce into the meat. Add some water to a blender and strain. Mix that in a bit, then sprinkle in some cumin. Mix well and simmer for 10 minutes or until it thickens. And enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for more of my recipes. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!